Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. In today's video, I have very exciting news to share. I have purchased a new handbag from Gucci. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Catherine. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this video. Let's go ahead and get started. So before I open the box, I did want to share where I got it from and how I got my hands on it and things like that. So a little bit of background. If you don't want to hear me chit chat, I will insert a timestamp where you can fast forward to and kind of just watch the unboxing portion. So I was on vacation my past week. I got my Gucci bag from while I was in Maui at the Shops of Wailea. The SA that helped me at Gucci, his name is Nick. He was extremely nice and patient while I was shopping and things like that. So if you also happen to be at Shops of Wailea looking for something to buy at Gucci, see if you can work with Nick. He was wonderful. In terms of pricing in Hawaii, not all brands do this, but Gucci offers 25% discount on their handbags and 20% discount on their luggages. This is to compete with the Asian Pacific market. This is because there's a lot of Asian tourists visiting Hawaii. However, the discounts do not include all the items. So originally when I walked into a Gucci store, I was looking for a belt. And as soon as I found out that there's no discounts at all on the accessories and shoes, I've quickly moved on to the handbags. So let me now go ahead and share the bag that I've bought, and I will kind of walk through why I chose this bag over another bag I was looking at in Gucci store. So here is the box. It did come in a bag, but because I had to carry this all through Honolulu before I flew out on Sunday afternoon, so I only kept the box and kind of threw the bag away as soon as I got home because it was so dirty and beat up. So it comes with a really nice little package with a ribbon. So let me open that up if I can. It's doubly wrapped. Okay, so the ribbon is coming off. Oops, really long ribbon. It comes in a magnetic box like the Chanel handbags and the Louis Vuitton handbags. Opens up like this. Inside it's a really nice wrapped. Oops. Really nicely wrapped in the white tissue paper. Also has some padding tissue paper in the bottom. Here it is. I'm gonna slide it out. And here it is, my handbag in the very satiny feeling dust bag here. I'm opening the bag and it just smells like great leather. So here it is. You can maybe see it through the packaging. It is really well wrapped though, so let me go ahead and untape some of these so I can slide the bag out. I did take a look at the bag before purchasing it, so I did look at it before all the packaging was on. So it was all packaged up. They took it off so I can look at it and they put all the packaging back on, which is really impressive because it's really well wrapped. So here it is, my new beautiful bag from Gucci. This is the Gucci Dionysus in the size small in the black leather with, I guess, antique silver hardware. So it's not very shiny, it's more of a matte finish. So let me share some details with you guys. Here's the side. So it does have a middle compartment, which I will share with you in a minute. I do apologize for my dogs barking. There's some kids playing outside the house and they always go ballistic. So here's the back. There is no pocket, unfortunately. I do think the medium size comes with a pocket though, at least on the coated canvas ones. The reason why I fell in love with this bag, and I think this is like one of the most beautiful bags I have ever seen, is because of the clasp. I guess it's kind of like a horseshoe. This is different from the coated canvas because the coated canvas one does not come with all the Swarovski crystals around the horseshoe. So you can see it's shiny and it's extremely beautiful. And you can open it with a button on the side here. It's really easy to open. I was really afraid that this would be fussy, but it's not. So if you open it, there is a little front pocket here. So if I'm like traveling, I can put some of the items in here and no one will be able to kind of reach the pocket unless I have the flap open. So it's kind of like a secure area. It has 2 compartments in the bag, as you can see, and it's split by a zipper compartment. So yeah, here it is. You can use this bag only as a shoulder bag. Unfortunately, the strap is not long enough for you to wear as a crossbody. I mean, you can, but it's really tight and it'll sit like that on your shoulder. It'll sit like that on your chest, so it's not a really good look. But however, you can wear comfortable on your shoulder, which is probably how I will wear it most of the time. Or you can double up the chain and use it as a shorter shoulder bag if you like, or kind of carry it on the crook of your arm and things like that. But like I said, this is a very, very comfortable length for me for day-to-day use. So this bag in the United States currently retails for $2,650. However, with the competitive pricing in Hawaii, before taxes, it was $1,990. So without taxes accounted for, it is $660 cheaper, which is a really, really good value because the bag smells amazing. It has all these beautiful crystals on the clasp right here. It has hardware that seems very, very durable, and just the quality of the bag looks so, so amazing. Maybe even comparable to my Loewe bag, if not better, which says a lot about this bag. It is very structured, and I'm kind of looking forward to that because a lot of my bags don't have a lot of structure, especially without the organizers. But because this has compartments, I will not be using an organizer in this bag. So let me just walk through reasons why I chose this bag out of all the other bags I was considering. So if you have seen my previous videos, you will know that I have 3 handbags from Louis Vuitton. I have my collection on bookshelves over there, so that's why I'm looking over there. I have 1 bag from Loewe. I have 2 contemporary designer handbags that I barely ever use. And I have 1 crossbody bag from Saint Laurent that I have purchased very recently, but that's more of a travel bag. So I don't have any black leather bags, and since we're going into fall and winter time, I was looking for a black handbag. I actually wanted to at first buy the Gucci Marmont in the size small. I'll insert a picture right now here so you guys can see what that looks like. I went into the Gucci store to look at both. It was very, very clear that I wanted this bag. First of all, the Gucci Marmont is made with very soft leather, so it has that beautiful soft feeling when you touch the bag. But when I was looking at the bag inside the store, I saw that the display model had a lot of scratches on the leather, and I knew in the long run that was gonna bother me. And another thing was that the clasp, while this is very easy to open and close without anything in the bag, the Gucci Marmont bag, you had to really push on the bag, and that's something that everyone else mentions in their review videos, that how squishy it gets and kind of flat it gets over time. But this I thought would hold its shape a lot better over time. It's kind of a more classic look anyway, in my opinion, with the silver hardware and without a parent like Gucci logo up front. So that's why I prefer this bag. Besides, I just love, like I said, the crystals and the blinginess of the clasp up front, so I chose this bag for those reasons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very, very excited to start using this bag. I'll probably move my things in here probably this evening and start using it tomorrow. After I have used this for probably first couple weeks, I will do a first impressions video and what fits in my bag. But meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me comments down below and I will respond to your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!